Hi everyone, welcome to my page. So for today I'm going to be teaching you how to tie the simple Ankara head wrap with just 2 yards of Ankara material. Okay, so please watch the video from beginning to the end so that you can also learn how to tie this by yourself. So this is 2 yards of Ankara material. I'm going to open the fabric, place the middle on my head. See how I'm going to place it on my head, then arrange it. Okay, so watch carefully so that you understand what I'm teaching you. So I'll take the remaining here to the back. So here I'm going to pin it. So I'll join both of them here and use pin to pin it. Okay. Alright, okay, so please, if today is the first time you're coming across my video, please like this video and also leave a comment. Let me also know where you're watching me from, which country are you watching me from. Okay, write it at the comment section. Okay, so once I'm done joining both of them together with pin here, I'm going to open the remaining, then begin to wrap. Okay, where I'm holding now, I'm going to wrap it. I'll wrap it, and that beginning part is going to be tight. Okay, then I'll begin to release my hand. Okay, I'll release my hand so it won't be tight. Okay, then I'll place it on my head. You can see the beginning part is tight, then this middle part, and I can see I release my hand, is not tight. Okay, so this side here I'm going to place it on my head, then take the remaining to the back. I'll take the remaining to the back and continue to wrap it. Okay, I'll continue to wrap that remaining fabric to the end. So as I'm wrapping it, I'm going to drag it. Okay, so it will be tight on my head. All right, so once I'm done, I'm going to tuck the remaining in. So once I'm done tucking it in, I'll arrange it, and you can see that is the end product. It is very easy, very simple, straightforward. Okay, so how do you see this head wrap? I hope you are going to try it, and I hope you can tie this by yourself. All right, thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate. See you in my next video. Bye bye.